We will discuss now how to get a discount and a sale price. What is a discount? A discount is the amount taken off from the original price of an item when it is on sale. So the discount price is the percentage, the original price is the base, the rate of discount is the rate of percentage. So let us proceed how to solve it. How to solve a discount and a sale price. The given problem is Mrs. T bought an aircon with an original price of 48,000. What is the sale price of an aircon if the store offers a 25% discount? So the original price is 48,500. The discount rate is 25%. We will find out the discount price and the selling price. How to solve the discount? Mrs. D bought an aircon with an original price of 48,500. What is the sale price of an aircon if the stores offer 25% discount? So we will multiply original price by the discount rate to get the discount price. 48,500 multiplied by 25%. That 25% should be converted into decimal. So therefore, 48,500 times 0.25. So therefore, the discount price is 12,125 pesos. How to solve a sale price? From the given problem, we will solve the sale price of it. So to get the sale price is to subtract original price to the discount price. The original price is 48,500. The discount price is 12,125 pesos. We will subtract it. 48,500 minus 12,125. So therefore, the selling price is 36,375. So that is the selling price of an aircon. Okay, thank you for your listening. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for the next video. Thank you.